In this video, we are going to read Excel file using Pandas in Python. Pandas is a powerful library in Python that provides easy to use data structures and data analysis tools. Reading the data directly from the source makes it much easier to perform the tasks faster. So let's get straight into our solution. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for Pandas read Excel, hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. Now this use case requires the Pandas library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Before proceeding, let's take a look at the code. Now, this line of the code is to import the Pandas libraries. Now, this part of the code is to fetch an Excel file from an online source. And this part of the code is to read the Excel file into a Pandas data frame. Now let's run the code. And you have read an Excel file in Pandas. You can find many more code snippets for your requirements on Kandi. The link to the Kandi is in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial and follow us to get more tutorials.